Well, this is how you can model any 3D object. Now we are inside this heart. Okay, you can see the texture. You know, anyway, they don't look great, but I think this is a good start. Now let me change the ground. Okay, let me remove that. Right click on the ground, right click like this, and go direct into assign any material. So a window will pop up for us where we can change the color of the background. Here we have it. So here we are going to go direct into Lambert. Just simply click Lambert, and then there will be a screen right here that will come with this one, and we are going to change the color. We can also use texture if you want to, but for now we simply focus on changing the background color of our ground. So Lambert is number 6. Alright, you can add any, okay, let me show you like this. Okay, yeah, so any what you feel like putting up there. Okay, it will let you, yep, just like that. Okay, now we can even put something if like grass or whatever stuff you want to appear there. So it's very important. So you can see, okay, let me zoom out just like that. Okay, now we can even put other objects there because we want this. Okay, let me put it there just to make it look great. Okay, let's simply press that. We can do, you know, we can make it look nice. We can do that. We can create, okay, so R can make it look, right click, then we can even go in there, right click on that this side, and do any kind of stuff that you feel like. Right click, click that, Control O E, and then W, just do that, do anything. Okay, so you can even do cut. Okay, you can cut it any place that you want. Right click on this, go to face and Control E and then W. Okay, something like that. Okay, so let's try to go. Yep, I think you can see when we want to make something, we can simply construct them and do anything like that. Control E, W, we can do anything that we feel like, just like that. Okay, yep, so a little bit better. You can do a lot of things, okay, with this. Just for now, let me try to put again Control E, W, then we are going to put it like that. So now within this we can also click anything, anything, okay, on all of this place. Okay, we want to just do a little bit stuff. Control E and then W, and from there we can put it up there just like that. Okay, yeah, I think you can be able to see what we have. So right click and we can simply go direct into object mode. Okay, sorry. Okay, you can see that our home is right there. Okay, when we take a look at it there, you can be able to see a lot of things that we just created for now. So thank you for watching, and this is what I want to show you right now. Thank you.